Hey everyone, in this video we'll go through divs and classes. So divs, they separate things into different sections, and then classes, they are like names. So let's say we'd like to put a text in a section. So for example, a heading text. We can write something like, hello there. So if we wanted to put this into a section, all we will need to add is div and class. And then equals to, and then the name of the section. For example, we call it section. And then in here we have the closing div tag. So after that, we will save it and then go to our style.css. So once we're in style.css, we can add dot and then section, which was the name of our class. And then in here, we can add something like padding. So padding is the distance between the contents and the border. Padding like 50. And then below it, we can add something like background color. Background color, we could do something like blue. And then we can also do top, left, width, and height. So top 50, left 50, and then width maybe like 400, and then height we could do like 200. So top is the amount of distance the section is from the top of the page, and then left it will be the same concept, so the amount of distance from the contents to the left of the page. So after we do that, we'll save it and then run it. So here we've got our division and all the attributes that we provided it with.